guys, it's Breanna from Tech World Online here. Today we're going to be talking about the Goal Zero Flip recharges. I've got the Flip 10, the Flip 20 and the Flip 30 with me. They all come with a micro USB cable included, and you also get a user guide as well. For charging smartphones, you'll get about 1 full charge from the Flip 10, 1 to 2 full charges from the Flip 20 and about 3 full charges from the Flip 30. You'll also get 1 full charge if you're taking a tablet or an iPad too. There's a battery indicator light on the side which you activate just by pushing it in, and it'll tell you how much charge you have. This one is USB rechargeable, so you can plug that one straight in. It can also be recharged via the Goal Zero solar panels, which we also stock. So these ones are really great on long road trips, or if you're out hiking and camping and don't have access to a wall charger. They're super small, so if you're space conscious, they'll even fit in your pocket. You can actually recharge this one up while you've got it plugged into your device as well. And they come in a range of different colours, so you can check these ones out online and in store now.